How to change Instagram notification sounds on Android. First of all, scroll down the notification panel. Tap on gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down a little bit and you'll find here on notification options. Tap on it. Now here, search for Instagram app. Tap on it. Scroll down and you'll find here a alert option. So tap on this. Tap on sounds. Here, a list of sounds, notification sounds will appear. You can choose one of them. Simply tap on it, like tap on it and tap on OK. Choose a song or choose a notification sound as per your wish. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial.